Hello, so let me bring for you such a maths problem to your attention. So have you ever come across such an amazing maths problem? So don't worry, let's now start with the solution. So many people usually make a mistake of solving such a maths problem, and today I want to give you the shortest trick in solving it out. So we have x minus 7, then into bracket squared is equals to 25. So we are asked to solve for the value for x. So how do we begin, or how do we start? So you can pause the video, work it out, then from there now, let's now compare the answers that we shall have get. So the first step that we need to do is, since this one is a square, we need to say that when we want to omit the square, we introduce the square root on both sides, and also this side we introduce the square root. So that now, after introducing the square root, we shall now have x minus 7 is equals to the plus or minus the square root of 25. So from here now, we shall now work out this one. So now we shall now have x minus 7 is equals to this square root of 25 is 5. So plus or minus 5. So from there now, we shall now say that x minus 7 is equals to, so plus 5 is just 5, or x minus 7 is equals to minus 5. So meaning that now we shall now have to come up with the two answers. So there we go. So now x is equals to, so this one is minus 7. When it crosses the equal sign, it will be plus 7. So now we shall now have 5 plus 7, or this one now shall be x then is equals to, so since this one is minus 5, so minus 5, so when the minus 7 crosses the equal sign, it will be plus 7, so plus 7. So in this case now, we shall now say that our value for x is equals to 5 plus 7, that one now shall be 12, so now 12, or so minus 5 plus 7 is positive 2. So now our value for x is equals to 12, or x is equals to 2. So now this one is the correct answer for solving such an amazing maths problem.